Are you seriously searching for lasting love? Are you dating online? If so, how do you make your online dating profile stand out? It's important that your online dating profile attract the right person. So to do that, you need a profile to stand out among the multitudes of online dating profiles that pop up on your true love's laptop, tablet, or phone. The first thing that grabs people's attention is your picture. Is it inviting? Do you look warm and friendly? Are you dressed to impress? Ladies, do you wear makeup to accentuate your best facial features? Gentlemen, are you well groomed? And please, no bathroom selfies. Second, does your profile describe something unique about you? Do you volunteer with a local community service organization? Do you have any special talents such as cooking or musical talents or being handy with a tool set? Third, share what's fulfilling for you both personally and professionally if you're still working. This will create greater connection. Fourth, describe the 5 to 7 things that would make an ideal partner for you. That way, the right person will see themselves in your description and say, "That's me." And last, keep an upbeat, positive tone with your online dating profile. Be aware not to include negative, demanding language. Now is the time to do the work to get ready for meeting your lasting love in the new year. Go to motivatedtomarry.com to learn more and grab my free checklist, 5 signs you're ready for lasting love. I'm relationship coach Amy Schoen. Please subscribe below to get my other video tips on successful dating for seriously searching singles.